watching Starring Entertainment.
We should all watch this cartoon movie also.
I think we already had Mano Po and Can't Buy Me Love, locally produced movie that talks about a bit of Chinese culture. Although ang Mano Po, saka Can't Buy Me Love is more on the Chinoy culture. Now this one is a very beautiful story that has some romance, suspense, and may war, no? Something like that. But what I appreciated most here is it shows some of the more realistic and authentic side of the human nature. Now, we don't usually see sa mga animated films. It's that the princess is makakaw and hindi sexy figure. Doon ako interested eh. Makakaw siya eh, kasi makakaw rin ako. And she also loves to cook, so it's a very interesting story. Maganda yung plot twist. No? So parang meron rin like princess na makakaw, na medyo mataba. No? Pero in Chinese, we don't say mataba. When we see each other, oh, tumaba ka. That's very Filipino. The Chinois would say, oh, 你这个好凶啊. You are more 好凶. You see the title, it's 好凶公主, 好凶 princess. 好凶, 好凶. Translate na plum. Plum. Siguro, you're taking inspiration from the plum blossom, plum. Pero actually, plum nga yung translation ng 好凶. But it's not 100% the same. There are some nuances here. When you say Hoksyon is you look nice kasi medyo mataba ka. Now, in the Western culture, ang weird nun, parang ka naging you look nice kung mataba ka. And in ni producer Rosana kanina na in the tendency, bago siya mag-explain sa inyo. Dati kasi pagka sexy ka, malnourished ka. In China. So, okay yun yung maging Hoksyon. Eh ako Hoksyon ako eh. So, when we see each other in the Chinoy community, pag nakita ka ng medyo tumaba, whether chubby or talagang fat or super fat, we don't say, di ka puhi, tumaba ka. We say, eh, di say ka Hoksyon. I-Englishin mo, oh, mas healthy ka ngayon and blooming. Healthy and blooming. Ibig say, gumaganda ka, pero hindi papayat, kundi palaki. We say Hoksyon. So, I love the title of this movie. So, panoorin niya. So, aside from a beautiful story, it also shows you some Chinese culture. So, you would know about the flowers, about paano yung tradition, yung habits ng mga Chinese. Mas maintindihan niyo yung culture ng China na sinaunang panahon, no? And then, mas maintindihan natin bakit gano'n ng Chinoy ngayon. Di ba?
Ikaw ba daw, mamaya nagtatanong, ikaw ba cook o kumakain?
Dito, extra lang ako actually dito.
Both.
Okay, thank you.